You got it?
I've been waiting for ages.
It's alright, let it roll. Let it roll, man, it's alright. Alright, so, welcome back to our YouTube channel, even though it's not a real thing. I've done a video before on my C63 in white, which I wrote off by the way, gone. Don't drink drive, and then I had an M3.
I thought you weren't drinking. I thought you weren't drinking.
No, not drinking. And then I had an M3, but now I've got an M6. I've had the M6 for like nearly a year, I think, but I've just never made the video on it because there's nothing too special.
Yeah.
But it's got it's got secondary cap delete, resonator delete, and the back box is straight piped as well, so it sounds mental. So we're gonna do a cold start on that, see what it sounds like, and then this is a little bit warm, so there's no cold start on it. But I just picked this up, and this is a performance pack C63 with like 530 brakes, got a remap as well. So, Con, if you just come around, yeah, we'll start this one up, and then we'll give it a few revs, and then we'll do the M6 in the cold start. Grab the interior on this as well. Let everybody see the spec. Like the spec is got carbon fiber trim, reverse cam, everything. Yeah, man, got the 507 gear shifter that's been added on. It's an original performance pack. It's got the carbon trim, two-tone leather, Harman Kardon, like surround sound system, reverse cam. It's fully loaded. Anyways, let's start this one up. Can't just get to the back, so we'll get it from the back. Yeah.
Wow.
Disturb the neighbours too much. So
Yeah.
that's that, but it's not a cold start. It sounds a lot more mental on a cold start. We'll do the M6 now because this is going to be cold.
On the inside.
Yeah, grab the inside as well. This is just your box standard M6, but I've got a full Alcantara steering wheel on that. Nothing special about the M6. The options are not that great. Grab this cold start though.
Why is that so
loud? I'm never going to make it justice, but in real life it's fucking loud.
Wow, that was...
That's mental, isn't it?
Alright, how'd you stop it?